Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
RLB 5950. RLB 5950.
He honked for me, bro. Bro! Holy shit! What the f are you doing? Can't see in your mirrors, and what's in front of you?
It's obvious that the various car manufacturers are holding their cards and their cars very close to their vests. They understandably consider their future auto driving technology to be ultra proprietary, and because they want the best, and no one else's business. For a disaster, and this has the feeling of being driven.
Went on at Zany's in Nashville. Bert Kreischer was there, Whitney Cummings, Tony Hinchcliffe, also Zach Myers from Shinedown. So many other big names. Doing a race on Jelly Roll for his 40th birthday. And then afterwards, they all go over to Kid Rock's bar.
What the f? God damn it. Seriously?
Like packaging area, making sure that it's like well. Ooh, fuck hell, honey! Ah! God damn it!
Attack her.
Because people like to get nostalgic, you know?
That's what you say, attack her?
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
I heard that.
I heard that. What car did it hit?
That one?
Whoa.
Dumbass.
God. Oh! Well, let's call the cops. He deserved that.
No, this guy did.
No, I know.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.